So in this Expedia tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit filters here on the Expedia application. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Expedia app. Now, for example, if I wanted to go to stays, I'll go to the top left here, I'll press on home, go to the top left, press on stays, just like this. I'll just go ahead and press on New York for this time and then press on search. Now, if you want to edit the filters that you're seeing, so at the top here, right below, there's popular, price, guest rating, etc. Right beside that, there is sort of three lines and a drop down. Press on that right here. This goes by the sort and filter thing. So if you want to filter by, a 5-star hotel, breakfast included, whatever the case may be, you can go ahead and press on done. Now what it's going to show you right here are the options that you just selected. So if you wanted to just go here, there's a whole bunch of different filters you can look for. You can sort of edit it however you may want. And as I mentioned before, if you want to clear them, go to the top right, press on clear, press on done, and then there you go. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to edit filters here on Expedia. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.